Are you perceiving the aroma? Are you perceiving it? Welcome back to Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my little secret recipe for preparing this egg sauce or egg stew. So here I have my turkey. I've properly washed it with clean water and salt. You can use chicken if you like. So I'll be marinating it with these spices. I have one knor cube for seasoning, mixed spices. It consists of dry onion, seed leaves, and bay leaves. I have chili pepper, salt, curry, and thyme. So I'll be marinating it with the chicken. Already I have onion, ginger, and garlic that I'll be blending to marinate the turkey too. So I have 3 cloves of garlic, ginger, and onion. So I'll be adding my mixed spices. I'll then add 1 cube for seasoning. Then I'll be adding my blended onion, ginger, and garlic. I will give it a stir. Cover to marinate for 30 minutes. You can allow your own to marinate more than that, 1 hour. The more it marinates, the sweeter it gets, or the more delicious it gets. So here I'm cutting my yam. It's already spoiling. You can imagine the yam that I bought for 8,500 in Nigerian money. This is 3 kilos of yam. A kilo is €2.50. So calculate it to know how much it is. So I'll wash it and cook it. It's all well cooked. I will now save it. Here my turkey has marinated for 30 minutes, so I'll be cooking it. This is 10 minutes of cooking it. I didn't add water. The turkey brought out sauce on its own, but I've added water to cook for another 15 minutes so that it will cook very well. I will now cover. So over here I have my tomato and bell pepper that I have washed very well with clean water and salt. I'll be prepping it to prepare my egg sauce. I have 1 scotch bonnet pepper or fresh pepper. So I won't be blending my tomato. I'll be cutting it this way. You can blend your tomato or cut it any way you like. So it's egg sauce I'm prepared in here, so I'm cutting it this way. After then I'll be cutting my bell pepper or sweet pepper for garnishing of the sauce. Okay, you can give your own bell pepper or sweet pepper any cut or any shape you want. So I will keep it aside. Here our turkey has cooked very well. It's all well cooked. I will now scoop it out to fry and cover the water to use it for later purpose. So in a dry pan, I'll be adding my oil. I'm using jeera, sorry. It's cholesterol free. Okay, so I'll be frying my turkey now. I'll give it a deep fry. You can fry your turkey or chicken the way you want. You can have fry it or deep fry it. So I'll be giving my baby boy this one. He likes meat very well. So I'll be turning the chicken or the turkey so it won't get burned. It's all well fried. I will now scoop it out. Then reduce the oil and use the remaining one to fry my egg sauce. My turkey is ready. So I'm reducing my oil now. You can remove the meat particles or you can fry it that way. So I'm frying it that way. I now added my onion. I will give it a quick stir so that the aroma will integrate inside the oil. I will stir very well and then add the tomato. I will stir very well too. Stir, 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 stir. So I'll cover it to cook before adding my ingredients. So it's now cooking. There's still water in it. I'll still cover to cook for another 5 minutes. It's better you allow the water to dry a little before adding your spices or your seasonings. Okay, so I will now cover to allow to cook for another 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. I will now stir again. As you can see, the water has dried a little. I will now add the spices. I'm adding 1 knor cube for seasoning, crayfish, and salt. I will give it a quick stir. I will stir very well for the ingredients and the spices to combine well. Then I will cover to cook well before adding my bell pepper. So this is under 5 minutes. I will now check if there's salt. I have to add a little salt to it. I will give it a stir again. And then add my bell pepper or my sweet pepper. I will stir very well. I'm welcoming my returning followers and my new followers also. If you are new to my page, if this is your first time of seeing my video, I'm welcoming you. Let me give you a welcome kiss. Please guys, continue sharing, commenting, okay, and liking. So I give it a quick stir. Cover to simmer for 2 minutes before adding my turkey. Okay, so this is 2 minutes. I'm now adding my turkey. I will give it a quick stir. I will stir it to combine with the sauce. Stir, 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 stir. Okay, I will now cover it to cook for 2 minutes before adding my egg. So now this is 2 minutes. I'm adding my beaten egg. I will cover to cook for 2 minutes before stirring it. So this is 2 minutes. I will give it a good stir. I will now cover for another 5 minutes to cook well. My sauce is ready. This is 5 minutes. So now they have seen my little secret recipe for egg sauce. I hope you prepare it for yourself and give me feedback. Okay, I would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.